The rollout of 5G networks is happening even faster than expected, as demand for next-generation connectivity continues to grow. At Nokia, we create the technology to connect the world. And that means 5G must be available to everyone, no matter where they are. Nokia Wavence is the microwave solution that makes this possible, bringing 5G connectivity to places where fiber is not an option. Wavence is Nokia's next-generation microwave solution, powered by a Nokia Bell Labs design chipset. With high capacity and ultra-low latency, Wavence covers all current and future network needs, providing the performance of 5G-ready microwave transport today, while smoothly preparing the transition to tomorrow. With its innovative design, Nokia Wavence is simple to install, deploy, and maintain. Transceivers and antennas are built to minimize tower space and operating costs, while the support of a software-defined network allows 5G network slicing and dynamic service management for different user groups. This in turn enables the creation of entirely new revenue streams. So prepare your network's microwave transport for the 5G era with Nokia Wavence, and enjoy a microwave network that's built to last.